What's up guys, my name is Tony. Welcome back to Dudes Love Lulu, and today we're looking at a mystery pant. So I can't find my order. I can't find anything to do with these pants. I bought them because they were on sale and I wanted to try something out that was a little bit different than what I've had before. So if you know what these pants are called, please leave it in the description down below because I can't find it for the life of me. I don't know what I did. Anyways, these pants are a little bit interesting. We're going to show them off today, and that is because they are like a tearaway style pant, and I'll show that more a little bit later. Now, first off, I am affiliated with Lululemon. I do work for their head office downtown Vancouver. I do have to disclose that every video, and all my measurements are in the description down below. For all my tops, I wear a size extra large. For all my bottoms, I wear a large or a 34 waist, 31 inseam. You know, I'm 32, but it's always a little bit long on me. So these pants I picked up because they kind of caught my attention just because of the color. And also, if you look on the sides, there is a little clasp here. You undo that, and now they're a tearaway style pant. The reason I got these was for if I am biking or doing something where I do want to layer up and I want it easy to take off, these can completely tear away, no questions asked. And that's why I grabbed these. Now, like all my other pants, they are waterproof. However, the fit is a little bit different than some of them. Let's go try them on and see how it looks. Okay, so here we have the mystery pant. Now, again, I cannot find what they are called. Now, on the sides here, we do have zipper pockets on both sides that are nice and deep. The fit is pretty good. I would like maybe to see a little bit more taper through the leg, like some of my other Lululemon pants that I do really enjoy. However, I do understand that these are a little bit different of a pant. There are no strings or anything in the waistband. It's just the waistband, but it does fit me really well at a 34 for the size large in the pant. And when you look at the sides, we do have they're completely tearaway. So if you like, you could completely open these up and tear them off all the way down. We will do our standard turn. There you guys go. So remember, if you are not subscribed to the Dudes Love Lulu channel, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. I will be the #1 source for all thing guys very, very soon. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.